Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter settings. Now, go to lock screen, enter screen lock type and confirm with your current screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks and face and fingerprints unlock. Let's start with the swipe. Now let's go to the none. Select password. PIN. And at the end, let's select pattern. Now, if you go again to screen lock type, you can enable face recognition, so scan your face in this area. And once your face is scanned, you can use it to unlock the tablet. And after that, we can set up the last way of unlocking the tablet, which is fingerprints. And our fingerprint scanner is right here. So let's scan my fingerprint right now. And now let's use it to unlock the tab. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.